was on the stage with him. So there, the Honorable CM, I do not know who has provided him the information that Honorable CM has made a statement that Riyangs have come from the Chottagram, present Bangladesh. So that statement has had the sentiment of the Tiprasa, particularly the Riyang community. So on that issue, on that very statement to the public, this is a civilian. The entire divisional Tiprasas of the Umurpur division, they have come out for this protest rally. This is to express the sentiment and emotions of the Tiprasa made by the Honorable Chief Minister. Here I would like to make very clear one thing. We Tiprasa, we don't hate our Honorable CM. We love him. Democratically, whether he belongs to BJP party or Motham party, I do not know. But democratically, he is the Chief Minister of the Tripura state. Democratically, he is the chief of the entire community, entire public of Tripura state. So he is a very responsible person. Anything being made, anything being said or made a statement by the head of the chief becomes the history in the future. Therefore, just to clarify, the people of Tiprasa, especially the Riyang community, got emotionally hurt. It is our sentiment that the particular statement being brought out by the Honorable Chief Minister of State, this is the kind request from the public side that our Honorable CM should make clarification that Riyangs are not being migrated from Bangladesh. Another thing I would like to question here, now we all as Tripura citizens, if I buy a plot and settle in Mumbai, can I be called a foreigner? Can I be called a foreigner? I cannot be called a foreigner. I just got shifted from Tripura to Mumbai. So, remaining in the same country, if I go and settle in another place, that person cannot be called a foreigner. He or she wants to live a better life. He or she has shifted in another state. Therefore, the Chottagram, the part of Assam, the part of Mizoram was once upon a time ruled by the kings of Tripura. The history says, history cannot be hidden, history cannot be covered, history will reveal itself. Therefore, this is very clear that Riyangs have never migrated from any country. One more thing I want to say very clearly. All of us know about the Mahabharata Yuddha, the Kurukshetra war, Duryodhana versus Yudhishthira king. They fought. And who was the supporter? Lord Krishna was the supporter. In the Rasmala, you will see the Riyangs and Kaiping have participated. This is the truth, this is not my version, this is not being said by Dolly Riyang. Then when Lord Krishna, he himself took he born on this earth as a man, he participated in the war. At that time, Riyang and Kaiping participated. That means Riyang is not presently born or just recently migrated from any of the country. This has proved, so I have nothing to clarify. The history itself will speak. In a way, I want to thank our Chief Minister. He has made this statement. Maybe he was provided wrongly by somebody else. So he made a statement. His statement has opened a door for us to bring out our truth, to spread our truth, who the Riyangs are, who the Tiprasas are. That's it I want to say. Thank you very much. One more thing I want to say in the last. Today while coming, I was given a call from the SP office. He asked me, Madam, I heard today you all are going to vandalize the BJP party office in Umurpur. This is absolutely wrong. Kindly, I want to request whoever must have passed the information to the police station that the people of today's protesters are going to vandalize or burn the BJP party office. This is absolutely wrong. Don't spread wrong information. Don't try to bring clashes in the state. We want to live peacefully, especially the Tripura Motha party. This is our 5th year. Have you ever seen that Tripura Motha has burned anyone's party office? Have you seen? No. Then I want to request, please don't spread wrong message. That's it I want to say. We will have very peaceful rally, a peaceful protest. Just, we love our Honorable Chief Minister. People have got sentiment by his statement. That's it. Thank you.
Thank you.